Hello everyone, my name is Jessica Camila Garcia Alvarez and I am a student of the course English 6 of the group 26. Now I will speak about my analysis about a song that I chosen. This song was Living on a Plane for Jhon Denver. So the first topic that I would like to speak is about the instrumentation of the song is soft. I can identify that the instrumentation is sparse and there is only an acoustic guitar. The rhythm is slow, but there are some parts that sings song fast, but but this not means that the whole song is fast. Um, this occurs in the chorus of the songs. It covers a sense of tranquility, a peace, and maybe we would like to say happiness. Personally, I am not affected by instrumentation the song of I chosen with my subconsciously because it's a song that represents a, a kind tip, a kind problems between a relationship that that a couple. So I think that the objective that this song is to make now the feeling that the artist has about the situation. He is living with his couple with, in, in which he must move away to have a time and a personal space. On the other hand, we have two values the songs can transmit us. Among them, I consider there are emotion intelligence because a person decide to to go to other part for many different problems maybe that they had. So also the tolerance between couples because he decided to go and don't fight with her. I think that also mutual love because they understand that the relationship don't have some problems and they need some your own time to think and respect their own decisions, but they they come to they come to identify to realize that they love but they want to resolve these problems after to continue with your relationship. I consider that the image of the artist doesn't affect all that I feel the song. I consider that it's a whole song that the artist looks has nothing to do with what the song transmits because it is the voice and the wave in the artist's tongue. Because I felt that the same by someone another age, race, or sex, because don't everyone have the same intonation, emotions, or a good voice for to interpret this song, this type of song.